Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting off with Perfect White. I believe this might be the second one in the little 4-part thing that I have. It's not for sure. I think so. But I'm taking Perfect White buttercream and I'm putting it all over this practice tip. And then we are going to come in with a second coat here after a full cure. So this would normally be done on a finished file nail as buttercreams go on top, which I love buttercreams. If you've been with my channel for a while, it is my favorite finish because it's on top, and especially being induced tomorrow with little man here, it's something that I can easily take off. So you take off the top layer, fill it in, it's great. So yeah, Perfect White, love this stuff. It's probably this and black tie are my most used buttercreams, but yes, love this. Cure that, both 30 seconds. Come in with a matte top coat here. You don't necessarily have to do this at this stage. I wanted to protect just the base, like if I'm like halfway there and I just completely butcher this, because hand painting for me is really tough. So needless to say, I'm trying to improve, and hence why we're here. So I am doing a swishing motion, and it takes me a minute to get there, and I don't pretend to do it all in one motion because I know it's not possible, so I kind of break it out into 2 separate ones. So I'm gonna let you watch this, and then I kind of fill it in and make it a little bit thicker for the lights. Now that we got all the colors, they're all right there, all flat out on the screen, we are going to come make these little lights. So I think these are the cutest things ever. So I did a little bit more of a pointed one. You could do like a round bulb. I decided to go, again, more pointed because these kind of remind me of like outside lights, like, you know, like the bigger lights that come to a point. So this, I believe, is Jump Up in Jade. And again, taking my time, not rushing. This did take me quite some time to actually complete, but I flash cure in between each light bulb because I would absolutely screw this up. Trust me, I would. So I will go ahead and let you guys watch the remaining 3 bulbs. All right, now that we are fully cured, we are going to take that black again and we are going to add the dot to the top, making it connect to the wire. So again, just taking a dotting tool, and you can use whatever tool you have. I just find a dotting tool super easy. It's kind of like no rush, just simple, put it down, move it left and right a little bit or up and down depending on what position you're in, to get kind of more, it's a little bit more of a square topper versus a rounded one, although some of them are rounded, so I don't know, it could be either way. So then you're going to come in with some white paint. I don't think I come in with white paint. Yeah, so I top coat this. I should do this the other way around. So I top coat here, so I actually go grab the white primary paint, which doesn't need to be top coated, and then I do the little dots on there, but switch these steps. All right, now I'm taking Kira Sky No Wipe Top Coat. You could have stopped before, but now we're going to make it glow, okay? So this is why I wanted to do that top coat first before coming on here, because this top coat is going to cure just with that glow powder and I don't have to go back in and top coat. So that's why I did that matte top coat, and now we're coming in with the glossy top coat, which again is no wipe, so you just do a double cure and you're good to go. So grab your glow in the dark powder here, dump it on, knock over your thing, you know, do anything that's not correct here. Yep, there you go, knock it over. But I love this. You could, again, stop before the glow powder. You could do kind of a 3D effect. That's why I have like 3 different things at the top that you could see what was before, during, and then after. So just wipe this bad boy off and let's see it glow in the dark. That's on my phone because my normal literally camera would not pick it up. So I love it so much. I hope you guys do too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.